The sky's so high, I wish someone could tell us. I'm sure the man in the moon must know, but he wants to make us jealous. That's alright, 'cause one fine night we'll go visit him up high. And if we're nice and don't ask twice, well, he just might tell us why. Don't know why you and I can't fly. I wish some bird could teach us. We'd follow him away somewhere where no one else could reach us. There we'd stay to sing and play and soar through clear blue skies. Sure sounds great, but now it's late and it's time to close your eyes. Don't know how to tell you now the many things I want to. There will be times when you'll feel confused. There are questions that may haunt you. Days will come when you'll feel alone, and the truth will bring you pain. I'll be there with love and